talk about a quick but effective maintenance tip for keeping your grow space clean. Adding hydrogen peroxide or H₂O₂ to your humidifier. I like to do this to prevent any algae or gunk from building up into the reservoir or on the surfaces of the humidifier. H₂O₂ works by breaking down organic matter and killing off microorganisms like algae, bacteria, or mold that can thrive in the most moist of environments. It's simple, safe when used properly, and keeps your equipment running smooth. I usually add a small amount, around 1 to 2 milliliters per gallon of water in the humidifier. It's enough to sanitize without overwhelming a system or the plants. This step not only keeps your humidifier clean, but also ensures that the humidity you're providing is fresh and uncontaminated, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy grow environment. A clean humidifier means one less thing to worry about when it comes to plants' health.
Autoflowers take their chance, down a perfect stance. We watch as nature